Welcome back to the kitchen with huge thank you to Stockland, who are having me make some of their delicious homemade recipes. I'm so excited for this one. I am making some rice paper rolls. Now don't be nervous, because I'm a little nervous myself, because rice paper can be tricky to work with, but I've got some hot tips for you. Speaking of hot, we're gonna put this little rice paper thing into the hot water. It's not boiling, it's just warm. It's warm water. So we're gonna get that nice and wet. Not too wet, but wet enough. You gotta kind of work fast because it gets a bit sticky. So today I'm gonna make a chicken rice paper roll and a prawn rice paper roll. The great thing about this is that it's fun for the whole family. You can get the kids involved. They can make their own. Here's another hot tip. Have a board or a tea towel ready to roll that's also wet. So then it doesn't get stuck, right? Genius. So we're gonna start with our salads and our dressings. Got some spinach leaves here. Got some cabbage. This is the chicken flavor I'm making now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our salads in this area here, and our noodles, rice paper noodles. Delicious, along with our red and green capsicum. Which flavor is your flavor? Bit of carrot as well. So that's where our salad goes. And then we're going to put our chicken next door to it, not on top. Because then when you flip it around, you get to see all the fun flavors and it's easier to roll. And that's what we want, easier rather than harder. I know that's what I want. So we're gonna start the roll. Whew, so far so good. Then we're gonna bring the sides up. And then we're gonna finish the roll. This might be my first successful rice paper roll of my life. I am shocked that that worked. Okay, then we are going to put that next to our dipping. So we've got a satay dip with some sesame, black and white sesame seeds on top. That's our satay. Now, for our next one, prawns. Okay, round two. Let's see if we can make it as successful. Okay, I'm gonna wet this board up because that was an excellent tip. I think the wet board and doing the meat in front of the salad are the two hot tips for successful rice paper rolling. Okay, we're gonna start with some avocado on this one. Loves some avocado. The more the merrier, I say. Some mint with everything. And it's such a great rice paper roll flavor. Some orange capsicum, this one. Some cucumber into long slices, so it fits all the way along. Then we're gonna add our prawns, remember in front. Now these are all pre-cut, pre-prepared in a package, the chicken and the prawns. You can just buy that at the supermarket, so you don't have to prepare any of that yourself. You can literally just take it out of the packet and whack it on. And then we're gonna sprinkle some of our sesame seeds on top. They pack a punch of sesame seeds, so sparingly, I would say. And they look really cool. Makes it very authentic. Okay, wish me luck. First row, sides. Roll two. Should close it all the way up. Oh my gosh. I've done it again. I've actually rolled a second one. This is a miracle. Let's hope it stays together. For the prawns, we've got hoisin sauce as a dipping sauce. Okay, I'm gonna make some more. Fingers crossed, wish me luck. What I love about these rice paper rolls is that they're really fun to make as a family. They're easy and they're super fast. If you want to make them with your own family, head over to stockland.com.au/food and you can find the recipe there and make it for yourself.